So this is OnePlus Ace 3V is going to be launched in the global market under the name OnePlus Nord 4. Fast refresh rate, 1.5K OLED display, flagship grade processor, huge battery, fast charging, new AI features and many more. Today I am going to show you full review of OnePlus Nord 4. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start by talking about the design of the phone. When you look at the front, you'll see a flat screen with a small hole in the center for the selfie camera. There's a slight curve along the edges of the screen. The bottom bezels are a bit wider, but the side bezels are pretty thin, which makes the screen look really good. Now, if you flip the phone over and look at the back, you'll notice that it also has a gentle curve along the edges, giving it a slightly curved shape. This is officially called a 2.8D curved design. The back of the phone is smooth and made of glass, so it feels really nice and high quality in your hand. The phone comes in a gray color option, and when you look at the camera module, you'll see that the cameras are arranged vertically. It looks very deliberate and neat. The middle frame of the phone isn't made of metal, it's plastic, but it still gives off a metal-like appearance, which is quite impressive considering the price range. In this price range, it's not expected to have a metal frame anyway. The design of the frame is flat, but the edges are slightly curved, so it feels comfortable to hold. The phone weighs around 200 grams and is thicker than 8 mm, with a width of 75 mm. When it comes to the performance of the OnePlus Nord 4, it's equipped with the recently launched Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor. This processor combines elements from the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and 8 Gen 3 processors. However, the GPU is slightly weaker. In gaming tests, playing games like King of Glory at the highest settings with 120 frames per second, the phone manages to maintain an average frame rate of up to 125 frames per second, delivering a smooth experience with no noticeable drops. Even after playing for 30 minutes, the phone's temperature doesn't go above 40 degrees Celsius, which is quite impressive. Similarly, when playing the original God game at 60 frames per second on the highest settings, the average frame rate reaches up to 57 frames per second, which outperforms many phones with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or 8 Gen 2 processors. However, compared to other phones, the OnePlus Nord 4 tends to heat up more during intensive use. Compared to last year's Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2, the performance improvement with the 7 Plus Gen 3 is quite significant, providing an outstanding gaming experience. Additionally, the punch hole for the selfie camera is relatively small, enhancing the overall design of the phone. With a flat screen, gaming experience on the OnePlus Nord 4 is pretty good. It comes with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, which are flagship level specifications. The phone handles high-end games well, and daily operations feel fast due to its powerful hardware and good software optimization. Moreover, you can customize the high refresh rate on the phone, and switching between apps is smooth. Overall, it offers a great user experience for daily use. The screen size is 6.74 inches, and it's an OLED display with a resolution of 1.5K, offering accurate colors. The manual brightness goes up to 550 nits, while the global auto brightness reaches up to 1200 nits, providing excellent brightness performance. Additionally, the color gamut and contrast are also impressive, offering 1 billion colors. The phone includes features like DC dimming and a high-frequency PWM dimming feature of 2160 Hz, providing good eye protection. Talking about the battery, the phone is equipped with a 5500 mAh battery, which easily lasts for about 1.5 days with medium to heavy usage. For charging the battery, you get a 100W fast charger, which can charge the battery up to 66% in just 15 minutes and fully charge it within 30 minutes. So, in terms of battery life and charging, the phone performs really well. In China, the OnePlus Nord 4 comes with ColorOS 14, based on Android 14, but in the global market, it will come with OxygenOS. The interface of the OS is quite user-friendly, offering smoothness and stability. I haven't encountered any bugs during use, and the functional aspect is well designed. There are also some AI features in the phone. For example, you can use AI to remove unwanted objects from images, and it automatically fills in details as well. Other features like learning, job search, and various life-related AI features are available on the phone. Now, talking about the camera, the main camera features a Sony IMX882 sensor. You can see sample photos to judge, but the camera performance is average. The sensor size is also 1.95 inches, which means it's not particularly large, so low-light photos might not turn out great. Additionally, the fingerprint scanner is placed quite low on the phone, which might make it a bit uncomfortable to unlock with one hand, although the unlocking speed is good. The phone also features stereo speakers and a good vibration motor. Additionally, it includes dual-frequency GPS, NFC, and an IR blaster. The starting price for the OnePlus Ace 3V in China is around 2,000 yuan, which is roughly £220 in the UK or up to $280 in the USA. In conclusion, the OnePlus Nord 4 offers excellent performance and handles gaming superbly. The battery life and charging speeds are fast, and the initial level AI features are present. The display is superb as well. However, in terms of the camera, it could be stronger, perhaps with a larger sensor. The placement of the fingerprint sensor is a bit low, which may be inconvenient for some users. Overall, if you're looking for a high-performance phone in this price range, the OnePlus Nord 4 is definitely worth considering. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.